how to find old servers in Grow A Garden Roblox. Here's how it works. You want to go search for BT Roblox. We need this extension, so click on the first link that pops up right here, and we will just add to Chrome. Click on add extension, and once the extension has been installed, it is going to appear here in the puzzle piece. Now go back to Roblox and refresh your game, and as you can see, the UI has changed a little bit. That's fine. Now we will just find Grow A Garden. So click on Grow A Garden, and if you scroll down, you will see the servers here. So you will see a list of the servers. So I'm just going to zoom out a little bit, and they will look like this. So you want to find other servers, and where it says number of players, we want to change this from descending to ascending. So click on ascending, and right here, why we're doing this is because the less people that are in a server, then the higher chances are that this is an old server. So you want to join whichever server here you feel like. So you can join this one, for example. You will just open up the Roblox game client here, and you can go through the different servers until you find a old server. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you guys next time.